Boom.
Hello everybody, I'm FlubFishGamer, and today I am going to be playing some Hearthstone with BrassTwig.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're playing another round of Hearthstone Duel. This time, though, our decks are completely Cthulhu-based, so that'll be pretty sweet. I have a feeling I'll lose, but that's okay. I'm not the best at Hearthstone. Yeah. You know, sometime you and I should just do, like, we assemble a deck. I'm ready. We assemble a deck, and it, like... we assemble a deck and it, like the exact same deck, and just see who can win.
Yeah, I've tried that intro, or I've tried that intro forever. And
what is this deal? I'll do that. That's fine. That's cool.
Okay, I like this hand too. This hand is pretty. Boss.
I didn't like my deal. It was terrible. Should I just do that like right off the bat, or I could play this? I almost want to do this like right off the bat. Just get it out there. I'm gonna do it.
Comment down below if you think going first or going second is better.
I personally think second is better because you get the coin and you get the extra card.
Same with me.
Julio. Someone called for the doctor.
Okay. Let's put this out. And then that's all we can do.
Should we just... yeah. Let's just do this. This way. I think that went pretty well.
This guy.
Giving Cthulhu taunt?
Yes. Isn't that an evil card?
That is so annoying. No, no. Stop.
That's annoying.
I can make it more annoying if you want.
Ooh, this is annoying.
Yeah, that thing is really annoying.
Okay.
I think we're just gonna get this out in the field. Do we do this? We do that, I think. Try we didn't have a Northshire cleric out on the field.
Ooh. This is good. I'm just gonna build up all my taunt.
So much Cthulhu! Ugh.
Ooh.
I'm actually quite excited for you to play Cthulhu. It's annoying that Cthulhu can get taunt, because you can get Cthulhu up to like a 50-50 and stuff.
Yes. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah.
Shh. Sorry about that.
Quietness.
Okay, you ready for this pain that I'm about to
Not really.
make you feel? The taunts are making me mad now. Maybe I won't make you feel pain. This one or this one? This one, I think.
I'm not getting that many. I'm not getting that many. Cthulhu cards out. Like last round that I played, I got a lot of Cthulhu cards out.
I don't really want to lose this thing right now, so.
Ah, crap.
Is it any minion?
Yeah. It can be good, but it can be bad. I think I should take that out of my deck.
Is it a legendary?
Yeah.
Then how do you have Cthulhu in your deck?
How do I have Cthulhu in my deck?
Yeah. Can't you only have one legendary in your deck?
I think. Oh, you can only have one of each legendary.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Let's go with this guy. Here we go. That guy. Oh, I was about to attack that one. I took way too long. I was talking more. Guys.
I almost want to play this thing and just like.
They're sharing the headphones now.
Okay, let's do. No, you know what? I'm just gonna play this. I'm just gonna play this. I'm just gonna do it.
I actually don't know what my Cthulhu is at. I wish you could like check what your Cthulhu was at.
I don't want to attack that guy. I need another taunt right now.
Okay. Let's play this. Or use that. And
I don't think I. Oh, I do have a board wipe in my hand. I just don't know if I'll pull it.
some of this. 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 And some of this. And then more some of this.
Alright, 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 alright. Oh, yes, my board wipe. Do I use it right now? Do I use it?
Too bad that there's a lawnmower in the background.
I do use it. I could have saved it, though. Anyway. My turn. Alright.
Let's put this out. And bring this out. Attack you. Attack you.
Man, do I love 10 mana. Yeah, that worked out for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine if you had to collect Cthulhu, like you had to just like find it in a pack.
I'm not even going. Just gonna get this damage in. Oh, this guy's a creature. Oh, I mean a minion. I get confused with magic all the time. Magic the Gathering. This whole round I thought this was a thing. A spell. Oh, I'm not dead yet. But I'm gonna be dead next turn. Oh my god. Now I'm going to not.
I mean, it's not like it helped you that much. Just gonna get some super overkill here.
It was a joke. I'm just gonna commit suicide.
No!
Yay!
I wanted to overkill you. Down to negative 10.
Ha ha ha. Okay.
23. I get another golden holy. I get a golden holy smite. All right, want to do another round?
Yeah.
Let's do another one.
Yeah. I'm gonna check the. It doesn't really. I don't think the lawnmower is drowning out the stuff that much. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's just.
Mine get picked up. Nah, it's really nothing. Right, you've picked one.
And now it's. Yay! It's off.
Have you picked?
I picked one.
Let's do it. Can we get a 2 win? Can we get a 2 win? Can we do it?
Can we do it?
Yes, we can. Malfurion. Oh, yes. You know what? I'm gonna keep this deal. I'm really okay with it.
Gonna play this then. And the next turn.
Well, that's a little annoying that you can put that up first turn. Maybe I'll just play this first turn. A stupid lawnmower, but I doubt you can hear it too bad. Should I just do this like right away? No, I'm gonna save it. No, yeah, I'm gonna save it because that could be like a saving grace at some point. Is someone injured? Okay. Dang it, lawnmower! Are you my mess?
Now it's up higher.
Your minions
it's off now.
think you are weak.
Okay.
I'm digging this Hearthstone music.
I love this card. This way, this way.
I think if you point it the right direction, it's anyway. We'll look at that later.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
Okay.
I get too involved in the map.
I have an addiction of sorting my cards. So like my taunt cards will go over here. And then my other cards will go over here. It's just bleh.
My favorite one is the machine that just makes things appear.
Next turn.
Alright, I'm okay with that deal. You ever use the machine that just makes things appear?
No.
It's on the map. Are we on the same map?
Yeah.
The steampunky map?
Yeah.
It'd be weird if you were on different maps.
Is it this one? Oh, button.
Okay. So should we do it? Should we do it? No, we'll save that. I save it. I'm just gonna go with like.
Oh, maybe Oh, there's a fishy.
I really have nothing to play. This is terrible. I wonder. Man, I'm disappointed. Let's just do it.
And then there's an apple.
Cool.
Stupid lawnmower. Okay, I can finally get some damage dealt.
I have nothing. I'm just gonna play it. Just do it again. I can't even. I literally can't even.
That got rid of one of my guys, reduced health from the other two guys, and it took away a divine shield.
I have no
think
minions.
That was kind of successful. But then I have another Tower Bridge over here.
You have so much taunt in your hand. It's frustrating.
Other times, I like got.
Okay, let's do it. Let's just do this.
I got all these Cthulhu cards, but then I just like, Ooh, this one's gonna be good for my setup.
That's so annoying. Nope, gotta go for the taunt.
Okay. Now, hopefully that lawnmower will stay off.
I have a pretty good thing for your setup too.
I was just thinking that you could do that.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. It's over yet.
Yay.
Nyeh.
Earlier today, I got this awesome Cthulhu kill. It was like at
Do I do this?
15.
Or do I do that? Okay.
Like,
Let me think about this.
and I was like at 1 health. And I played it perfectly.
Okay.
This guy was out too.
Okay.
Blue and collar.
I could do this guy. But then you're just gonna do this and this. Or I could do this guy. But I think, yeah, I gotta do this.
They're both 12/12s.
Your deck betrays you. What if I had Divine Spirit right now?
But I feel like you're just gonna... Actually... I'm just gonna end my turn.
Oh yeah. I'm so glad you did that.
It was such a hard decision.
Wait. No, actually, I'm saving that. I'm saving it. Saving it. No, I'm not using it. I gotta save that card. Actually. Yeah.
I need my Cthulhu.
So do I. I really need mine. We're in a stalemate here because we don't want to lose either of our, like, Doom Callers or, you know.
Yay.
Are you kidding me? That's my hand? No way!
I don't know what it is, but I
What is this? I'll tell you later. I need some minions. Is that a golden?
Yeah.
A golden tentacle. I have a golden freezing trap.
No.
The stupid lawnmower.
Of all times, why now?
Yeah, why? I think you can hear it like slightly in the background in mine, but like I don't think it's too bad.
Oh, what I can do is I can deal 2 damage because
You can sack off You can sack off your own dude, but then you'll deal damage to all of them.
And then this guy will die, and then I deal more damage.
Yeah, this is true. It's a little bit of a sack off sort of situation.
I don't really want to do that.
I really thought I was going to lose this round, but I came back. Come back, king. No. Did you hear it? Did you hear it?
No.
He said, no. My popcorn. I could use this right now. Should I just do this? Like, but I feel like I have a better place to use that, so I'm not going to. I'm going to lose this because of my lack of minions.
Guys.
This is like the background noise episode.
Yes.
All I need is Cthulhu. That's all I need.
I didn't see.
Give me Cthulhu. Please give me Cthulhu.
No. Why does it keep turning on and off? Why not just like?
I'm so glad that I do that. And I got these cards. That's okay. But I actually can't win this. It's over. It's over, guys. Why would you do that? That's so useless. Oh, you might have heard a little sound. That was a Skype message. Just FYI. Hey, but look, buddy. You know, it was 1-1. We each got around there.
Yeah.
So I call that successful. Alright, it's been 24 minutes.
What's the time? It's been 24 minutes?
Yeah.
Do you think we should end it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should end it off. Alright.
Okay.
So, thanks for watching. So, check out FlubFishGamer's channel in the description. Check out his video in the description. Like my video. Subscribe to my video. like his video, subscribe to his video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to his channel, and always, I got a leaf.
Mostly same for me. Please, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and be amazing. Also be sure to check out his channel and subscribe to him and stuff. Whatever.
Alright.